Greetings everyone. I'm Danny from the Dahua Overseas Product Marketing Department. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are here at the Dahua Smart IoT Industrial Park, Dahua Technologies' industrial base for intelligent manufacturing and the Modern Logistics Center, covering 510 acres. It provides high quality and high-tech smart products for global customers. I am deeply honored to introduce the new generation of the Dahua DeepHub Smart Interactive Whiteboard. As a child, I depended on visual aid during school to understand the teacher's key points. The teacher would write on the blackboard during the lesson. Education 1.0 utilized the blackboard, allowing me to interact with the content visually. I was a kinesthetic learner, so interacting with the blackboard was very helpful for me. However, written text was a bit boring and abstract for my developing mind. Enter multimedia. Education Era 2.0 brought projectors into the classroom, allowing teachers to provide more visually stunning and pre-made materials. But then a new problem arose. Projectors weren't foolproof or intuitive. What time was saved with pre-made materials was wasted configuring and troubleshooting the projector. This includes making sure the bulb was warmed up, finding the appropriate distance from the wall, and focusing the lens. Though the projector made lessons more vibrant and entertaining, my tactile learning style was stunted. Today, Dahua technology combines the fun of multimedia with the traditional interactivity of a blackboard. We have launched the Dahua DeepHub, a smart interactive whiteboard leading to Education Era 3.0. Education is the foundation of the future. Today, we lay the groundwork for the foundation, starting with the optimization of writing. According to our research, we have discerned 3 key elements that affect the writing experience. 1. The contact distance between the pen tip and the screen. 2. The ink signal latency. And 3. The visual writing path output. Therefore, we focus on optimizing these 3 aspects. Our first aspect is the contact distance between the pen tip and the screen. In the traditional screen making process, multiple layers of different materials are between the actual display and the writing surface. Most notably, the air gap in the interlayer and the glass in the cover layer. To spare you from the scientific explanation, the air gap causes the image to be unclear and reduces color saturation. Also, it feels like you're writing on a raised glass surface rather than the actual display, making your text appear in different positions when viewed from different angles, resulting in a poor experience. For this reason, we have upgraded the cover glass binding process with zero air gap technology. Utilizing Dahua's precision manufacturing capabilities, the hollow structure in the binding and assembly process is eliminated. The protective glass layer and the display layer are directly bonded. This upgrade allows our screen to display feedback closer to the pen tip during the writing process, creating clearer image display and reducing parallax. For the second aspect, the ink signal latency, we have made deep optimizations. You've probably encountered a lag between the pen tip and the ink signal while writing on a touch screen. When the handwritten display is delayed by more than 1 centimeter from the pen tip, the writer may experience a noticeable discomfort. When this latency is extended by more than 300 milliseconds, the writer may have difficulty completing the subsequent writing action. Additionally, the visual writing path output also affects the writing experience. Due to the pixel grid on the screen and the physical writing itself, the writing path only covers 1 pixel at a time, forming a zigzag path. It makes the written output look unsmooth and fractured. Using DeepHub's intelligent features, it can anticipate the written path and correct it to produce a smooth line. By optimizing and using a powerful computer chip, we are able to provide approximately 50 pages or 1,500 strokes of continuous stutter-free writing. This is a technological leap forward that has led the industry for nearly a year, which is light years ahead for the tech industry. We have put great efforts towards the DeepHub's writing capabilities. Therefore, a handwriting recognition function has been added. With its built-in AI algorithm, the writing on the screen can automatically be recognized as text. The text is more legible, reducing misread information caused by different writing styles. Also, the text is more manageable, allowing editing abilities such as enlarging and moving it around the canvas. What's more, our algorithm can also recognize shapes, so you can spend less time perfecting your circle drawing technique and more time sharing important information. Isn't that amazing? Our advanced algorithms have encouraged higher computing power requirements. Improving its computing power has created more possibilities for new advanced functions for the latest generation of the DeepHub Pro. Utilizing Dahua's industry-leading video recognition technology, the camera components and AI algorithms have been upgraded. This product realizes functions beyond the traditional whiteboard. In a classroom or huddle space, remote participants may experience trouble identifying the speaker when multiple people attend a conference or seminar. This is not a problem with the new Dahua DeepHub Pro, as it offers a voice tracking function. You can think of it as an automatic EPTZ camera that can identify and focus on the current speaker. An additional benefit of the AI upgrade allows users to perform more functions with the DeepHub Pro, including hand gesture control. One of the most significant communication barriers is physical barriers, whether a brick wall or a large space. In the classrooms, we find that students are fixed in a separate space away from the display. What if the teacher wanted to improve interpersonal communication by interacting with her students more, yet still needs reliable access to the display? What do? We extend the remote accessibility of our display. So, we've introduced this function into our new DeepHub Pro, gesture control. Teachers can control the device without a remote control in their hands by using simple gestures. By extending the remote accessibility of our display, we help encourage deeper interpersonal communication and connections without flow disruption. Turn pages down, up, right, left, and even take screenshots. Aside from teachers, students can also interact with the Dahua DeepHub. This product supports the broadcasting of on-screen teaching materials to other terminal devices in the classroom, so that students can directly see the on-screen content using computers, mobile phones, or other display devices. What's more, two-way sharing allows students to present their content and share notes and annotations in real time on the DeepHub using their personal devices. To achieve the above-mentioned functions, the computing power requirements have been significantly increased as well. For example, all these function optimizations are done in 4K real time. The computing power requirement for this setup is more than 4 times that of 1080p. To ensure the smooth operation of the product, we upgraded the chip to a flagship smartphone level chip, which is far beyond the industry's traditional choice, an outdated chipset used for TVs. It is also equipped with an 8 execution engine GPU to ensure image rendering capabilities. It is even equipped with NPU that offers 5 TOPS computing power, another unprecedented feature in the industry. At this moment, we are progressing at an exponential rate compared to our previous products. When talking about modern education, we believe it is a complex combination of teachers, learners, tools, and content. It is the original goal of the Dahua DeepHub to help teachers better engage and promote active learning in students. The Dahua DeepHub is making every effort to motivate and encourage deeper collaboration, deeper participation, and deeper learning, and so on, bringing new inspiration to the modern classroom. We've integrated a fingerprint lock on the new Dahua DeepHub Pro to help manage authorized access to the device. As we all know, wired connections are the most stable, clearest, and lowest latency method. However, the connection process can be very troublesome. The Dahua DeepHub has upgraded its connectability for content projection and interaction. It has solved the usual wiring issues of the previous products by upgrading the interface connection. So, a single Type-C cable can replace the HDMI, audio, and touchscreen cable. The upgraded wire can even supply power to the laptop or mobile device while connected to the display. Of course, we have also upgraded the wireless connection of the product. It supports several wireless connection capabilities, such as AirPlay, Chromecast, and Miracast. Additionally, the eShare app provides wireless connection for devices that don't support these programs. If you're not tech savvy but still want a wireless connection, you can also sync up your device with the wireless screen sharing dongle. Or you can forgo devices altogether and use a USB flash drive to access your content directly on the DeepHub. For IT personnel, the system adopts a user experience-driven design. First, the DeepHub supports the SIMS device management system. Great news, it's free! IT staff can fully grasp the operation status of remote equipment, including remote powering, screenshots, upgrade, and restart, instead of going to each device to operate each function. We have also added the conference room management function to the SIMS system, allowing users to arrange conference rooms. For customers with privacy concerns, the SIMS system can be deployed locally on your private cloud. Second, we have built-in dual systems that can be seamlessly switched: Android 11 and Windows 10. They are fully compatible with mainstream education and conference software. Most traditional devices only support Android 8, which may not be compatible with much software nowadays. This brings more flexibility for our distributors. Our DeepHub can satisfy the demands of different clients. With our product mission of deeper participation, higher inspiration, more products for the education sector will be coming soon. Please stay tuned for more information at our website, link below. We've introduced our device and its features. Let me share more about the company behind these advancements. Dahua Technology is a world-leading video-centric smart IoT solutions and service provider, with partners in over 180 countries and regions. With the global marketing and service network, Dahua Technology has established 57 branches globally. We believe the strength of the business is the guarantee of quality and functionality. Here are some attributes of Dahua and what makes them strong. More than 22,000 employees, of which over 50% are engaged in research and development. More than $500 million was invested in research and development in 2021. Advanced manufacturing and quality system in compliance with international certification. Professional global delivery and service team with an average delivery time within 30 days for large DeepHub orders. 200 plus after-sales service engineers, 24/7 online service and technical support, and comprehensive spare parts service network. This concludes the presentation. Thank you.